What's up guys, Dynamic Tech here and welcome back to another techie video. And today's topic is gonna be about increasing your download speed and downloading things faster in Windows 10 than before. So without wasting time, let's get started. The most important thing to download faster in Windows 10 is having a good and established internet connection. And if your internet connection is slow, then you cannot download faster in Windows 10. And if your connection is stable and good and still your download speed is slow, then that's what I can do something. So let's start. If your internet connection is good and your download speed is slow, then this problem must be with your downloader. So I would recommend you to download Internet Download Manager, which is the best internet downloader in the world. But the bad thing about this software is that it is paid. But don't worry, you can try it for a 30 days trial and you can buy it afterwards using it. So I would recommend it downloading. You can download it from this download button, click on it. And this software is for both operating systems, for Mac OS as well as Windows. As you can see here, free download about only 10 megabytes. So click on this link and download this software right now from the description. After downloading and installing Internet Download Manager, it will look like this. So first of all, open it. And I have already downloaded it and I have the registered version. So after opening it, you will see an option right here saying the downloads. Click on it and from here choose options. By the way, you can choose options from right here, which is the shortcut way. I didn't know that before. So click on it and you will head it to a new Windows. Select all the browsers from here. So IDM, which is Internet Download Manager, can automatically switch their downloads to it, which means it can automatically capture the downloads, and with the help of the Internet Download Manager you will have some extensions from which you can download YouTube videos and other datas as well. So let me show you. Okay, so here we are in the magical world of YouTube, and in YouTube if you open any video, then you will see this little icon here saying download this video. This is because of the IDM, and you can also see the trademark right here. And all you have to do is click on this little icon and select the version you want to download of the video, and your download will be ready to go. And if you want to download any video or image other than YouTube videos, then you can also do that. So I've opened Windows pics for the instance, and you can download the pics with only right click, and you will see the option here saying download with IDM. Click on it and you will be headed to the download. Now it's time to compare Internet Download Manager's downloading speed with the other downloaders, and the common browser used for downloading is the Google Chrome. So I'm gonna use it for the first download, and we're gonna head back to the Internet Download Manager website, and I am gonna download the setup of about 10 megabytes to check the download speed. So I'm gonna download it first on the Google Chrome. So click on it and the download would be start on the Google Chrome, and you can see the speed. So let's head to the downloads, and the speed on it is only 50 and 40 kbs. Means this is 40 and 50 kilobytes on the internet connection with the speed of 5 megabytes per second. So I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna head the download to the Internet Download Manager with the right click and saying transfer download to IDM. Click on it and the download is appeared in the Internet Download Manager, and lo behold, I'm gonna start the download and you will see the speed difference, 30 kbs to 300 kbs, and that's a big and massive difference. And it is going to 500 kilobytes because it is common when you have a 5 megabyte internet. So you can see the speed difference right here. So this was a tutorial for downloading anything faster in Windows 10 and increasing your download speed. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up, and if you're new on the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also turn on the bell notification to get all the updates. See you in the next video. Till then, watch my previous videos and have a fantastic day.